advanced typical concepts in core of electrical engineering. Mathematics, mathematical complex number, algebra find maximum use in solution of sinusoidal excited circuits, equation and power system problems. An engineer can be a good and successful engineer only if he is good in mathematics. Moving to the next slide, history is often influenced by applications of mathematics. Mathematics helps in calculating the dates and days of various historical events and predicting the future based on the past events. Some examples are 1939 World War II begins and 1945 World War II ends, and in 1947 the division of India. In the next slide, in this section, we have discussed about the relation between geography and mathematics. Geography requires mathematical calculations to find the distance of places, gradient of hills, areas and heights of places. Places location are also given in terms of degree. Math helps to draw maps. It helps to measure the intensity of earthquakes. Concept of GMT is also based on mathematics. Now moving to the next slide, here we discuss the relation between economics and mathematics. We know that math is a tool that can be used to illustrate the economic concepts. Economists use models as the primary tool to derive the insights about economic issue and problem. Math is one way of working with economic models. These are the other ways to represent models such as textual narrative. GDP, GNP, NNP, NPP, etc. are calculated by the help of mathematics. Mathematics helps to publish the economic budget of a nation. Now, in the next section, we have discussed about the correlation of mathematics with language and literature. Mathematics can be learned without the help of language and communications. Mathematics help the students to learn language with classify and exactness. Certain mathematical concepts, especially abstract concepts, can be learned only in the form of verbal statements known as definitions. Book build connection to math for linguistic learners who tend to think in words. Now moving to the next slide, here we discuss about the relation between astronomy and mathematics. Astronomers use mathematics all over the time. All laws of astronomy, majority of them understood by the mathematical concepts. One way to use is when we look at the objects in the sky with a telescope. The camera that is attached to the telescope is basically records a series of numbers which is related to mathematics. At the end, here we discuss some applications of mathematics in day-to-day life. Math is also used frequently in our daily life. We use to calculate time by the help of mathematics. Math is used in sports also. For example, in cricket, to find the average of a batsman or a bowler, and to calculate the score in football, etc. Now, to calculate money, we also use mathematics. And while driving, we can determine the speed of a car by the help of mathematics. Also, to solve a problem, we must know mathematics. While teaching, we need to know the length and breadth, which is also a part of mathematics. Here comes the conclusion. Modern civilization is very much influenced by the development of mathematics. So here we can conclude that the mathematics provide perfectness to all the subjects. Mathematics makes direct relationship with language and literature. Mathematics provide direct relationship not only with the subjects of pure science such as physics, chemistry, biology, etc., but also with the subject of social science such as history, geography, economics, etc. Mathematics has application everywhere. So we can't consider anything without mathematics. Mathematics is the main part of our daily life. This brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you all.